bakit napaka-importanteng meron tayong additional source of income. Imagine this is you. This is your income. But this is you with your income and your expenses. Kasi of course, meron tayong mga gastusin. Meron tayong kuryente, tubig, renta, mga necessities mo, and etc. Imagine, 3 to 5 years tayong ganito at magtataka ka bakit wala tayong naiipon. Minsan kasi, mas malaki yung tagas ng tubig kaysa sa pumapasok. Kung malaki yung tagas ng tubig, sa tingin mo, may maiipon kaya? That is the reality of one employee na isa lang ang source of income. That's why this is not safe. This is not secured. And you cannot overlook this situation. Kasi what if dumating yung time na yung nag-iisang source of income mawala? Paano na lang yung mga umaasa sa'yo? How will you survive? Pero what if, aside sa isang source of income mo, may additional ka pa? Just like this example. Let's just say, these books are your needs, expenses, at lahat ng mga gastusin mo. At yung cans naman, yun yung source of income mo. Kung isang lata lang ang nasa baba, pag nawala yan, of course may tendency na babagsak lahat. But if you have multiple source of income, mawala man yung isa, may mga sumusuporta pa din. Mawala man yung isa, stable pa rin. That's why having another source of income is very important. Why? It provides security, better living, and of course, peace of mind. Kaya let's not be hypocrite at sabihin kontento na ako dito sa buhay ko at kontento ka na sa isang source of income. Kasi clearly, contentment is not the point. And clearly, that is not enough if you want your family to live a simple life you're dreaming of. We can still be grateful while striving to live a better life para sa mga mahal natin. Kaya guys, think twice and be wise.